Hi. Yeah, it's all happening so far, I think. She's oh, what's her plans now? What's her plans? Oh, she's coming outside the cage. Oh no, she's coming out to the good stuff. Outside the cage again, perhaps. Here she goes. Here she goes. She's getting into the bok choy up here. Something about that one she loves, I think. Outside the cage again. Wants some more food for her guy. She's really Bluey's so cute. She's really trying hard to get the family going and start breeding. She's doing all she can do. But her fella below just, she's doing everything she can do. So she's off on her journey, and I'm not really sure what the heck she's doing. So we'll just yeah. Alright. When it gets more interesting, I'll post some more videos for you. Okay, take it easy.